Beneath the crushing weight of the ocean, in a place where sunlight has never touched, scientists have stumbled upon something truly terrifying. A creature unlike anything ever recorded. A bizarre blend of features that defies everything we know about marine life. This deep-sea discovery has left experts stunned, not just by its alien-like appearance, but by the mystery of how it survives in such extreme darkness and pressure. Could this be a living fossil from a forgotten age, or something entirely new? Join us as we dive into the abyss to uncover the truth about this terrifying deep-sea creature. The deep ocean is the last great frontier on Earth. We've mapped the surface of the moon more accurately than the floor of our own oceans. At depths beyond 3,000 feet, sunlight disappears. Temperatures plunge to near freezing. The water pressure becomes crushing, equivalent to hundreds of jumbo jets stacked on top of you. And yet, life finds a way. Scientists have discovered glowing jellyfish, ghostly fish with transparent heads, and shrimp that can survive in boiling hydrothermal vents. But nothing could prepare them for what they would find next. In 2025, while exploring the Hadal Zone, the deepest region of the ocean, plunging more than 20,000 feet, a team of marine biologists deployed a submersible drone. The cameras recorded something moving in the darkness, something alive. At first, they thought it was a trick of the light, but as the creature swam into view, the entire control room fell silent. The creature measured nearly 12 feet in length, with a body unlike anything ever documented. Its head was elongated, almost reptilian, lined with rows of needle-like teeth that seemed too long for its skull. Its skin shimmered with an oily metallic sheen, reflecting the submersible's lights in strange patterns. And most disturbing of all, it had 6 fin-like appendages, moving in a way that looked more insect-like than fish. One marine biologist later described it as a nightmare stitched together from different species. Even more shocking, the creature emitted its own light, not the soft glow of bioluminescence seen in anglerfish or lanternfish, but an intense, pulsing beam from its chest, as if signaling or warning. But the most terrifying detail? When the submersible drew closer, the creature didn't swim away. It turned, and for a moment, it appeared to be watching them. When scientists recovered fragments from the ocean floor near the sighting, DNA analysis revealed something astonishing. Part of its genetic code resembled deep-sea fish, but other sequences were ancient, more closely related to extinct marine reptiles from over 200 million years ago. Could this be a living fossil, a survivor from the Triassic period when massive predators roamed the seas? Some paleontologists suggest it might represent an evolutionary offshoot, a creature that diverged from known lineages and adapted to survive in the most hostile environment on Earth. Others argue the DNA is too unusual to fit within our current understanding. It's possible that what we're seeing is something entirely new, a species that evolved in complete isolation, hidden in the abyss for millions of years. The biggest mystery remains: how does this creature survive in the crushing darkness of the deep sea? Experts believe its metallic skin could act as a natural armor, protecting it from pressure and predators. Its glowing chest organ might lure prey or communicate with others of its kind. The 6 fin-like appendages, they could allow it to maneuver in ways no fish can, twisting and gliding silently through the water, perfectly adapted to hunting in an environment without light. But what does it eat? Some researchers think it may prey on giant squid, deep-sea eels, or even carrion from whale falls. Others suggest it could be something far stranger, perhaps feeding on chemical energy near hydrothermal vents. Whatever the case, the fact that a creature of this size has remained hidden until now suggests the deep ocean still guards secrets we can barely imagine. Since the discovery, theories have exploded across the scientific community. Some believe it's a relic species, a survivor from an ancient lineage thought to be extinct, like the coelacanth, a living fossil fish rediscovered in 1938. Others think it's evidence of deep-sea gigantism, a phenomenon where creatures grow larger in extreme environments. A more radical idea is that this creature could represent an undiscovered branch of evolution, Life that developed in parallel with everything we know, hidden beneath the crushing depths. Of course, not everyone is convinced. Skeptics argue that without a captured specimen, we can't be certain what we saw. Could it have been an illusion, a misidentified species, or even a malfunction of the cameras? But those who were there insist what they saw was real, and it's out there. This discovery raises profound questions. If a creature like this can exist undetected, what else is hiding in the darkness? Could there be entire ecosystems of unknown life, thriving where we once thought nothing could survive? It also forces us to reconsider our place on Earth. We often think of the land as conquered, mapped, and understood. But the deep ocean remains a mystery, covering more than 70% of our planet, yet largely unexplored. Perhaps the most unsettling thought is this: if something so alien can exist right here on Earth, in our own oceans, what might exist beyond? For now, the creature remains nameless, a shadow in the abyss, a reminder of how little we truly know about our own planet. Was this the discovery of a lifetime, or the first glimpse of something far more terrifying lurking in the depths? One thing is certain: the ocean is not as empty as we once believed, and the next time scientists lower their cameras into the dark, they may not like what looks back. What do you think this creature is? A living fossil? A mutation? Or something beyond science altogether? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep-sea mysteries.